Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be installing this wig. This is my first wig install, so let's get into it. So the first thing I'm going to do is pre-pluck, and before anything, this is a video of do's and don'ts. So pay attention. So if you see my last video, I had over bleached my knots and it was orange. So what I did was, to get rid of that orange tint, was I got some mascara and I just used the tip of the mascara. I sectioned it off and like put it all over the roots, so the roots are black and not orange. You can also do this with a marker. I actually use both a marker and mascara. So when it comes to plucking, you want to make sure that you are not overdoing it and over pluck your wig like how I did in this video. I made a part right behind the hairline. Spray water on your hair. Start plucking from the knots by going back about an inch. Leave a space in the middle and then start plucking from next section that you did not touch. So pluck, leave a space, pluck, leave a space, go back, pluck, leave a space, pluck, leave a space. I hope that makes sense. You're gonna do the same step until you get to the front of your hairline. You don't want to spend too much time on one section. This wig actually really didn't need that much plucking. So you'll see in this video where I OD'd at and I gave myself a big old bald spot. Now at the time I couldn't see because my ring light was so bright, but I didn't realize that there was a bald spot and I was making it worse. My intentions was to actually wear this wig as a middle part, but I ended up doing the side part. Now honestly, I really did not notice this bald spot until the end of this video, to be honest, but I got right and ended up fixing it. I should have been stopped plucking here, but for some reason I just kept going. If you're plucking and you feel like you're not pulling out any hair, trust me, you are. Like, it's coming out. It may not seem like it, may not look like it, but it definitely is. So try not to do too much like how I did. Please, please, please. The only time you really need to pluck is if your hairline is super thick. This wig was not. I could have just did the side part and just plucked the side part a little bit more than I did, but it was so last minute and my trip was literally in a couple hours from installing this wig. And like I said, I didn't realize I had a big ass bald spot, so I had to think of something real quick and just put a side part in. You're gonna see, you can't miss it, trust me. All right, now let's install it. We're gonna do the ball cut method. I already tied my hair down, got me some nice R. Kelly braids. We're gonna glue it on and then struggle a little bit to do the baby hairs. I know you see it. I know you see that big ass bald spot. I over plucked the fuck out of this wig. Ciao. Mind you, I didn't notice this until I finished this video. It's crazy. Honestly feel like it was already there before I got the plucking. Not gonna hold you, but I don't know, maybe I'm lying to myself. I don't know. Girl, how you don't see that? He's so for real right now. So crazy to me how I really didn't see that. I really didn't though, for real. Thought I was cute. I am, but not with that bald spot though. I'm about to do baby hairs, little edges. I think I'm gonna do like a little swoop here and like sideburns. Just very little, very subtle. That's just gonna stay like that for now. We're gonna do the other side. I don't know if it's just me, but doing baby hairs with a wig is literally the hardest thing ever for me. I could slick back my edges on my natural hair, but I suck at doing it with a wig, for real. My flight was literally in 3 hours. I didn't get any sleep that night. I'm leaving them alone. I'm leaving this shit alone as it is. So I'm sectioning off each part and spraying it, really drowning it in with water. And I'm using this curling cream called Noodle Curls. That stuff gets my curls like where it needs to be. If you have curly hair, I definitely recommend Noodle Curls. I promise you, you're gonna love it. I love using that stuff. Excuse me, it's called Noodle Head. My fault. This is exactly when I noticed the bald spot. That lace is melted though, no cap. This moment, the plan was to get some black spray it down the middle and finesse that part, but that was just too much. Hey y'all, so I fucking did it, bitch. I did it. I finished it. Oh, what's this? Hold on. So I ended up doing a whole little side part. I didn't really tweeze it or anything like that. I might pluck it, but this is it. This is the final look. This is the final look. So baby hair is good. Let me show you without my glasses. Is valid? I hope so. For my first time, I think I did a phenomenal job, bitch. If you ask me. This shit, that's why the part is on this side. But here it is. This hair is so big and poofy. The only thing, I don't think it was a 13 by 4 inch lace, because the lace is right here, unless that's 4 inches. I don't know, but I have to really finesse. But yeah, y'all, I can't really stay and talk much, whatever. I gotta go. I gotta pack my stuff. I leave in a couple of hours. My birthday is in a couple of hours. And yeah, so if you like this video, I feel like this was a very good video, like transparent. Bitch, you see me struggling, bitch. You seen me over bleach the knots, bitch. I think I deserve a subscription or a notification or something. So if this video, I'm pretty sure this video will help you, because it definitely helped me. This was really like a learning experience for me. I'm ready to do another wig. Who want to send me a wig, baby? We finna do blonde next. What we doing? What we doing? Fuck, I'm a whole hairstylist. Book me, Native, get right, Slay by Native, yeah, shit like that and shit like that. Activate me, please. Yeah. Nah, but seriously though, I got to go. If this video helped you, please tell a friend and tell a friend. Share this video. Comment down any suggestions on anything. I'm open to them. So yeah, thank you for watching. It's Native, and we out of here. Stay tuned for the vlog too, my birthday vlog, because it's gonna be a movie.